Hi friends, today we're going to learn how to make yummy peanut chutney. Let's get started. For this, I'm roasting few peanuts. Peanuts are good source of protein, so include them in your diet as possible on every day. See, the peanuts are well roasted. I'm going to blend them with coconut. I took 1 part of coconut for 2 parts of peanuts. This chutney doesn't need tamarind, so it's really a healthy option and also tastes delicious. So we're going to blend coconut, peanuts with green chili and salt. I have green chili paste. You can add fresh green chilies and a little salt to blend together for the chutney. So all these ingredients, the 4 ingredients we have here in the blender, are coarsely blended. Look at this here. Yes. Now I'm going to add a little water and blend them all together for fine chutney. So if you have roasted peanuts at home, this chutney hardly takes 3 minutes to prepare, and it really goes well with idlis and dosas. See, the chutney is all ready, and now I'm going to prepare tempering. For tempering, I'm taking mustard seeds, cumin seeds, red chilies, curry leaves, or split urad dal, and hing. I'm taking 1 spoon of oil, and once the oil is hot enough, I'm adding in all the um, tempering ingredients along with hing. And once the tempering is all ready, switch off the flame and add the curry leaves. Yes, the tempering goes on top of the chutney, and the chutney is ready to be served. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notifications of our future video. Thank you. Have a good day.